We have to prove the equation st equal u plus half a to t minus 1 using calculus method. Now we can draw the diagram. A body starts its motion from the point A and reaches to the point C after t second. The body was initially at the point A and starts its motion with initial velocity u, and finally it reaches to the point C, and final velocity at that point C becomes v. The time at the point A was 0, t equal to 0, and at the point C, time is t second, that is t equal to t. We consider another point B, preceding point B, just before 1 second, the body was at the point B. That's why the time at the point B is what? T minus 1 second, and at the point B, the velocity of the body was v prime at t minus 1 second. Distance traveled by the body from A to B is s prime. Distance traveled by the body in time t minus 1 second is s prime, and distance traveled by the body in time t second is s. That is, if a body moves from A to C, total distance will be s. At the point A, s equal to 0. At the point B, s equal s prime, and at the point C, s equal s. Now, the distance traveled by the body in last 1 second is st. That is, distance traveled by the body in tth second is st, which is the distance between the 2 points B and C. When the body moves from B to C in last 1 second, then the distance traveled by the body will be denoted by st. When a body moves from the point A to C, from the point A to C, in time t, comma, it was it was at the point B at the time t minus 1 second before reaching to the point C. When a body moves from A to C in time t second, it was at the point B at t minus 1 second, just before 1 second after reaching the point C. Let S and S prime be the distances traveled by the body in t second and t minus 1 second. In time t second and t minus 1 second. It moves as it moves from point A to C and A to B. Let S and S prime be the distance traveled by the body in time t second and t minus 1 second as it moves from the point A to C and A to B respectively. Therefore, The distance traveled in tth second, that is in last 1 second, that is in last 1 second, is given by st equal distance traveled by the body in t second minus distance traveled by the body in t minus 1 second. So in the diagram st equal to bc or comma st equal to ac minus ab, ac minus ab. Therefore st equal s minus s prime. St equal s minus s prime, that is distance traveled by the body in last 1 second or in tth second is st, which is s minus s prime. Equation 1. Now distance traveled by the body from B to C is st. In last 1 second, st is the distance traveled by the body in last 1 second, which is equal to bc. And s is the distance traveled by the body in t second, and s prime is the distance traveled by the body in t minus 1 second. When a body travels from A to C, distance traveled by the body is s. When the same body travels from A to B, distance traveled by the body is s prime. Therefore, st is equal to s minus s prime. Now, the instantaneous velocity of the body at the point B, the instantaneous velocity of the body at the instant t, not at the point B, at instant t second. T second means the general time. The instantaneous velocity of the body at the instant t second is given by v equal ds by dt, where ds is the small displacement of the body, is a very small displacement of the body, very small displacement of the body. Ds is the very small displacement of the body in small interval of time dt. Therefore, ds is equal to v dt, where v equal to u plus at. U is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time. ds is equal to u plus at bracket close dt. Integrating both sides, we get we get integration ds equal integration u plus at dt, limits of the integration on the left hand side will be s prime to s, and on the right hand side is t minus 1 second to t second. t second. At the point B, s equal to s prime. That's why the limit of displacement in a lower limit is s prime, and at the point C, the displacement is s equal s. That's why the final limit of the displacement at the point C is s equal s, and at the point C time t equal to t second. That's why the limits of time is t minus 1 second, which is lower limit, and t is the upper limit. Integration ds is s under third bracket s prime to s equal integration u dt t minus 1 to t second plus integration a t dt t minus 1 second to t second. It should be a t dt, or comma limit of s will be, final limit of s will be s. It should be s. So or comma s minus s prime equal u is constant, we can bring outside integration, u integration dt t minus 1 second to t second plus a integration dt t minus 1 to t second. Correction should be done with integration a dt. There should be, now putting lower limit s prime in place of s, we get s minus s prime, and u is constant, we can bring outside integration, and u comes outside integration, this u, and a is constant acceleration, so that can be brought outside integration, and that will be outside the integration a, and correction should be done here. With a dt we should have at dt, s minus s prime is st, u integration dt is t, limits lower limit is t minus 1 second to t second plus a, correction should be done with a dt, there should be another time t, so we can erase this part dt, at dt, we can write at dt, at dt, here the integration t dt. So hence a integration t dt becomes a under third bracket t square by 2, third bracket close, t minus 1 second to t second, or comma st equal u bracket opened t minus 1 under bracket closed plus half a 1 by 2 a bracket t square minus t minus 1 whole square bracket close. Now putting upper limit t in place of t square, we get t. Putting lower limit t minus 1 in place of t square, we get t minus 1 whole square. T minus 1 whole square. Or comma st equal u only, because tt will cancel out, t minus t plus 1 bracket closed plus 1 by 2a 1 by 2a under bracket t square t square minus 2t plus 1 bracket closed, again bracket closed, or comma st equal u plus half a t square minus t square plus 2t minus 1 bracket closed. Finally we get st equal u plus half a 2t minus 1 bracket closed. So this is the formula of st, that is distance traveled by the body in last 1 second or in 10th second. st equal t minus 1 st equal u plus half a bracket open 2t minus 1. st equal u plus half a 2t minus 1. Hence proved. This is the distance. This is the distance traveled by the body in last 1 second or in 10th second. This is the distance traveled in 10th second or in last 1 second by the body. That is the distance traveled by the body in last 1 second of its entire motion. In last 1 second of its entire motion.